Hello, my name is Anil Kumar Nirmal. Uh, Today we are going to check all the answers related to the course which is on LinkedIn and where is the certification. But sometimes it is very difficult to get the answers of those questions because the answers are not given, and these are the paid answers. But yes, I'm giving you the answers and the keys which can you use and you can re-verify. So let us start here. This is the first question of this particular exam where the Excel Essential course is shown in the linked, and these answers are like this. The first question is, why would you set up the workbook to be shared if you are the only one using the workbook? And the answer is the you can track the changes. Why you can track the uh, this answer is preferred because you know because you are the only person who is viewing the Excel. So if you see the entire video, you will find that even you can track the changes which you modified earlier, right? The answer is the regions. You have data for regions, products, and the customer. Which option on the pivot table will you find in the field list? So if you check the video in the pivot section, you will find this answer, right? Next question is, which shortcut key you can use to rename the worksheet. This is a very simple. If you double click on the Excel sheet, you will find this answer. So this is the answer. Another is to freeze row 1 and 2 and the column 1, 2, 3. Which cell would you be highlight before selecting the freeze plane? So answer is 2 and 3. It is a very obvious answer. You just use the Excel, you will find this. Which type of chart is preferred when you are dealing with the time frame? So whenever you are dealing with the time frame, you are analyzing the progression. The line chart are the best suitable chart for that. While it might be considered old school, which action would you take if you are unsure how a page will print even after looking at the page break preview? So, in this case, you are not knowing anything, and the same is written in the old school means you are just putting, one, two, three methods and you're not getting any answer. So, it is the wise way to get a just print of first page, okay, and check which key are commonly used to move and insert the data. So generally control and the shift keys are used for this purpose. You reserve an old worksheet. It happens to contain most of the information that you need, but not all of it. Which step would you take the next, right? So the first step should be the check the data you have previously hidden, right? So that could be the first step. What is the good rule of thumb for using the color background in worksheet? Always you need to use the light color. Always you need to use the light color in order to highlight, so that your data should not be uh, so much different from the one data. Where can you access the format cell dialog box in the launcher? So just guess the answer. Just guess the answer. Where it could be from the from the are you getting? No, you're not getting. So the answer is from the arrow to right, okay, on the clipboard on the ribbon. You created the formula in the cell 8. When you are copy the formula in the D8, which action you are taking? So obviously you are just repeating the result, okay. You are just you are just repeating the result. You are you are repeat. So what do you think? This is the right answer? No. So you are just changing the content, right? I was just checking that. Which shortcut key you use to undo and ready? This is a very obvious answer. The person who is using the computer must be knowing. Not a big deal. What is the best practice for entering the dates and time in the Excel? So use the slashes and the columns for the time, right? And the last one is the although it is not a term Excel uses, how do most people think of the Excel? So most of the people think that it is a spreadsheet using for the uh, is a tricky question, but it's answered this spreadsheet because the most lots of people are using the Excel for the analytical tool as also. So right, so the exam is passed. So congratulations, you can pass the exam like this way. Thank you so much for watching the video.